Material science is you're looking at materials, how to make them better, cheaper, stronger, and it's really emphasis on creating and refining new things.
You look at what engineering is, it's harnessing materials, energy, and ideas for the benefit of humankind. Materials is then central to all engineering. That's why material scientists and engineering students are important to industry, important to our technology.
So the beauty of materials science and engineering is it is the foundation of everything that you use every day. So whether it be computers or movie cameras or clothing, all of that is created by material scientists and engineers. The research that's done in the lab when you're developing a product, a lot of that comes from material science.
I like that it was really hands-on and that you're creating stuff. I feel like a lot of engineering can be kind of abstract and you're kind of distanced from the work, but here you're working with your hands, you're making something, and at the end of the day you have like a product that you can show for it.
Because we've got great faculty. I can unequivocally say that we're the best material science and engineering department in New England in a public university. And the reason for that is we're the only one. So this is a small specialty, but it's one that's very important.
What's great about the MSc program here is that it prepares you for industry or research. So it's material science and engineering. Whatever I choose, I feel like I'm prepared to either research or create stuff in industry.